Bringing your car to a local shop for service is not always cheaper or convenient. Whether you need a new suspension, an oil change, or a tune-up, when you bring your vehicle to Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota, you'll receive prompt, courteous service from a staff dedicated to quality for our customers in the products and services we provide. Visit us at www.alexandriatoyota.com to become a fan on Facebook and find out about our specials before anyone else. Read about our award-winning service department. Learn about our price match guarantee. And when you use a certified dealer service station, you get the best trade-in price for that vehicle. Call, click, or come in for more information. Jack Taylor's Alexandria Toyota is located at 3750 Jefferson Davis Highway in Alexandria, Virginia.